And at least 2 senators included in the alleged Napoles list can have a sigh of relief. Let's find out why from Sam Ramirez.
Senator J.V. Ejercito wants Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson Teofisto Ginconda III and Rehabilitation Czar Panfilo Lacson to clarify to the public that he was not in the Napoles list. In a report, Attorney Bruce Rivera, legal counsel of Janet Lim Napoles, cleared Ejercito's name, saying that even Napoles herself was shocked to hear from the news that the senator is on the list. In a separate report, Attorney Levito Baligot, former counsel of principal whistleblower Ben Horluy, said that there is no corroborative statement or evidence to prove that Cayetano got kickbacks from Napoles.
They deserve an apology o siguro naman, sana naman linawin ng mga tao sa listahan at yung mga ahensya kung sino mga responsable yung kanila pong pagkakamali. Gaya ng ginawa ni Attorney Bruce Rivera na nilinaw niya na hindi ako kasama.
Both Ejercito and Cayetano believe that the only way to put an end to this is to continue the Senate probe on the pork barrel scam and to publicize documents which will back up the Napoles list.
Bago siguro tayo mag-generalize, itayin na lang natin kung talaga may ebidensya. Kasi ang hirap nung basta na lamang listahan no, na walang kasama o kalakip na ebidensya. So mahirap na ngayon maniwala.
Sa ngayon, the best mechanism, dalawa lang. No? Number 1 is mag-hearing ka agad at number 2, mag-hearing ka agad para magharap-harap at malaman ang katotohanan. And number 2, na ilabas ng mga government agencies katulad ng DBM at saka ng DA at ibang ahensya ng COA ang lahat ng dokumento.
Meanwhile, neophyte Senator Grace Poe is worried that this will taint the image of the Senate and that the public will lose their trust on the institution.
Siyempre, nag-aalala, nalulungkot rin dahil ang institusyon natin ang tawag ito, binibigyan ng question. Subalit, ito yung proseso nga para malinis ang sistema.
For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.